to take a break.
I can only do about 4 laps without being able to take a break.
Well,
Right.
So as we near the end of our first day here at West Craven MX, I've done a little bit of everything so far. I got comfortable on the big track. I got comfortable on the intermediate Supercross style track. We rode the 3-mile trail loop. I rode it on the dirt bike. I rode it on the mountain bike with Weston. And I spent a ton of time with Weston over here on the kids track. And let me tell you, this place just might be North Carolina's best kept secret. The facility is not as huge as some others I've been to, but it's big enough, and the atmosphere here is so chill. It's so relaxed, but it's not unsafe. You know, we came in, we signed up, we dropped our money in a jar, and we pulled in. We got hookups. There's enough electric and water here for, I don't know, 17 to 20 rigs. So it's super comfortable. We don't have to run generators. Pretty much anybody else here is not running generators. The landscape is absolutely beautiful with the pine trees and the sand. And the way this sand is, it's similar to Tampa MX or Club MX's practice track. It can rain that day and you can ride as soon as it stops raining. The water just gives the sand a little bit of extra body. It's actually starting to get kind of dry today, and it rained probably half an inch yesterday, but the place is fantastic. The parking we're in right here is centrally located with the kids track behind us, the other two tracks on this side. The trail system starts over here and ends over there in the other parking lot. I'm telling you guys, this place, we might have found a new home for the winter down here. I'm really, really digging this place so far.